So most freelance marketplaces out there, such as Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, okay, usually pay using PayPal and other payment methods which are not really like available or work in Zambia. So luckily I found out a new, it's not really new, but I don't think many Zambians know it. Okay, it's a freelance marketplace that you can actually use in Africa, and it can actually pay you with mobile money. And the name of that platform is actually called Wanesha or Onesha. I don't know how it's pronounced, but this is the website over here. So this is a freelance marketplace based in Kenya. So if you are good at something such as graphic designing or anything that you can actually do, you can simply, okay, list your service here, and people will actually buy your service and you get paid using mobile money. So it's possible. Okay, so creating an account, it's easy. So okay, and the only hard part you're going to find is hard part about finding clients. So I'm sure once you create an account, you'll be given a link which you can share with anyone who can be interested in your services. Okay, so I think this is it about this video. We're simply to talk about the Onesha or Wanesha. So I'll keep on searching for more of this. So I don't think there's a freelance marketplace based in Zambia. Yeah, but in case there is any, let me know in the comment section and I'll get to check it out. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now.